Right, so you have like the slide, then you have like the playing the instrument as a percussion. One of his pieces or his musical production composition is so ambiguous. You hear salsa, you hear, like when someone says, what kind of music do you play? With this particular producer, you have to pause and you have to go into perspective because you have African music, you have salsa, you have a little jazz, you have Latin, you have West Indian music, you have a little Jamaican rhythm. And I found that was intriguing that we share commonality from two completely contrasted musical school of perspective. Although he plays the instrument. So I wanted to interview him and we could elaborate on, I guess my first question would be, what drew you into producing not just soca music, like Carnival,